Welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to download the Uber Drive app on an Android phone. So as always, make sure you have internet connection or mobile data enabled so you can download the app. So go ahead and open up the Play Store. Click on search at the bottom, then in the search bar at the top, click in there. When your keyboard appears, type in Uber Driver app. Click on the Uber Driver app. Here you can have see a bit of information about it. Just click the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your phone with the progress in the top left corner. Once it's downloaded, it'll then start installing the app to your phone. This could take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the app's downloaded and installed, you can open it direct by clicking the blue open button, or you can come out the Play Store, scroll through your screens and just check that the Uber Driver app has been installed on your phone. The icon's there, so just click on it, and that is how you download and install the Uber Driver app.